Hello world, welcome back to CyberCrete, and today in this video we will be showing you how you can just simply upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without any data loss. So all the softwares that are installed onto your system will be there already onto your Windows 11. So you are just shifting from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without any data loss. So if you are interested to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 without any data loss, you can continue watching this video. And yes, please make sure to click on that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. So with that said, let's start this video. So the first thing that you need to do is to download this Windows 11 file, and then there will be an ISO file. So you just need to open up the ISO file and it is going to look something like this. So this is the file that you need to download onto your system, and it will be available as a download link in the description below. So once you have downloaded it, open up the ISO, then we are going to continue. So you have to basically click on the setup.exe, and this is going to launch Windows 11 installer onto your Windows 10 machine. So it is going to click on prepare, and then you have to basically click on next, and it is going to take some time. So now we are basically going to wait for it to complete the update, and I think I am going to just fast forward this section of video so that we both don't waste each other's. So here it is basically checking for your PC requirements, and if your PC requirement is not fulfilled, then this setup might not work. But if you are saying this license, just click on next, which means your PC is compatible to install Windows 11. So if your PC is not compatible, I think I cannot help with that, but for most of you it is going to work. And now let's wait for this process to complete, and again I do have to fast forward the video. It is going to take quite a bit of time, so you just need to simply hold on. And now it is basically getting ready to install the Windows 11. It have done all the completion check. It have fixed that yes, your PC is suitable to install Windows 11, and now finally the installation process is going to begin. It haven't started till now. So it basically checked for you enough space, and if it was there, now if you are ready to install, just click on keep personal files and apps so that none of your softwares are removed, and then click next. And now it is basically going to start the installation process, and now the real installation is going to begin. So now you just need to click on install, and this is going to bring up you to this screen. This is the official installation screen. So firstly it is going to just complete from 1% to 100%, and then the Windows is going to restart it, and again the installation process will continue from 1% to 100%, and that is going to take somewhere around 30 to 50 minutes depending upon your system configuration. So you have to just leave your system, and from now there is nothing that you have to basically do to your system. Everything is going to work automatically. And here also I am basically going to fast forward the video, and I will meet once this installation process is over. So now finally the Windows 11 is installed onto your system, and you can see that this Windows icon here, everything have basically changed. This setting panel, you can see that the setting has also changed from devices to everything have been upgraded to Windows 11. You can just go to Windows Update, click on OS Build Info, and here you can see Windows 11 Edition. So if I just want to show that each and every applications are installed, I can just simply search programs and features. So let me just open the control panel and let me show you that everything was perfectly fine. So here you can see the installed on date. So it is basically installed on 2/13/2021, which means in second month, which means February 13th 2021. All the software are installed on that month, which means it is telling that it is installed on February. It is installed in February. In that day, Windows 11 was not even a top at that time. So this proves that this Windows 11 is upgraded without any data loss or without any loss of software. Everything is working perfectly fine. Every software and features are there as you are intended to get on Windows 11. So this was for this video, and I hope that you are able to install Windows 11 onto your system. And if you did that, and if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video with more interesting content. So yes, till then, peace.